problema. Chill ta? Okay.
Happy ka mo?
Have you ever seen something so wonderful?
Langga, 2 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. The sweetest, most loving, compassionate, and sensitive person I have ever known.
Takes no foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
Langga, I'm not a perfect when it comes in relationship. I mess up, I start fights, but there is 2 things I promise to you, Langga. I give my best, and I always choose you. Kag ikaw lang gid, Langga.
Out on a limb and taking the stakes. Here's one for the masses.
Not sure a lifetime is long enough to return all you have given to me, but I promise the rest of my days I spend by your side, to laugh with you and cry with you, to believe in you and support.
You've got what it takes, no foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours. Yeah, it's your time to the finish line. You've got what it takes, no foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
Hindi kabubuton sang tao or either ni dayan kanihalandyan ang ginatawag naton nga pagtiayon o kon ang sakramento kasal.
Sa singing sing-sing, ayon ko ikaw. Sa ako tampad na paigugma, sa imo nga hatag. Ngayon sa Amay, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo, kabay pa.
Sa imo ako ginatag, ining sing-sing, kag bulak, bilang tanda, nasa siningation, akon ginatugyan, ang akon kagulingan, kag nagasaad man, na maging mahigmo nga asawa, putli, kag tampat.
Kabig ini nga balaan kag himpit kag hindi pag-take for granted o kung paggabigon ng pasapayan ng pag-asawahay, it is because hindi ini lang kabubuton sang tao.
Always give paminsara nga I will love you until the end of the days, and I will choose you over and over again. Without doubt, without a pause in a heartbeat, I will always choose you. I love you, Langga. I love you, Diyos.
Promise to do everything to make our love rich, and well, to never let our love grow poor. Together, we are better than we could ever hope to be alone. And today, I give you my heart, my trust, and my fidelity forever. You always be the best part of my day. I love you and happy birthday.
Okay, baby boy. I can't wait to see you. Gusto nga ka makagwa, gusto nga mo pod inom. Basket ta, ang pagkukulang ko yata ko na si mo. Hindi man ko perfect daddy, but I promise na I give my all best to be a best daddy ever.
Nagapanginbulaan kayo sa inyo alang diyan kagdayan ang amo na pagpangamuyo sa gihapon kabay magmangin mo suwagon mo pagkabuhi tugtog sa katugtuban sa ngalan sang Ama ug sang Anak sang Espiritu Santo kabay pa.